Hey guys, Simply Colie here, and today we're going to be doing our unboxing of our Ipsy for September. Yay! So, I know I've been gone for a while, apologies, but I was, away for a bit. But I am back, hopefully, for a while, and, you never know, you get tired, you're old, and, well, you might not be, but I am. Anyway, I appreciate my 30 subscribers for hanging around. So if you would like to join the subscription family, please go ahead and click that button. It's not up there. I'm just pointing up for some reason. So today, let's see what we got in our Ipsy for September. And I like to just do a quick unboxing, just really quick, show you what we got inside. And then at the end of the month, I kind of do like a wrap up and describe how everything worked, if everything was amazing, if everything sucked, that sort of thing. So the first thing I'm pulling out of this bag, which was actually pretty heavy. This bag is actually pretty heavy. So the first thing I pulled out was something I guess that didn't fit in the Ipsy bag, which is this vitamin F velvet mask. Oh, and a vitamin C velvet masks. 2 masks. That's pretty neat. So Ipsy, just so you know, is a $10 monthly subscription. It is so much fun to get. I actually think Ipsy is my favorite right now. I actually just canceled BoxyCharm. So if you want to see my last month, you can check it out up there. I really hated August. I just wasn't into it. So let's see. So the next thing we have is this really cute bag. This bag is freaking adorable. I love this bag with the eyelashes, the black, the goldish color. I think it's adorable. I think it's perfect for upcoming fall. The colors are super cute. So let's open it, see what's inside. Oh, my hands are all over the place. Okay, so this is a little box. Let's see. So this is from Winky Luxe. This is a very cute box. It is from Mermaid Kitten called Ursula. I assume this is an eyeshadow, maybe? God, this is the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Do you see how cute this is? First of all, the box is adorable. Second of all, this packaging is adorable. And let's see what's inside. Yes. Okay, so this is a purple eyeshadow. Perfect, I think, for the mermaid theme. And if you guys checked out my plunger unboxing, you can check that out above. I actually talk about how I did dress up as Ariel recently for a nerd convention. So if you are interested, I was thinking of doing like a video about the costume because I bought everything from Amazon, so I thought that would be fun. And this eyeshadow would be perfect because it's purple, and Ariel always has purple. So cute. So, ooh, it's actually really soft. Okay, so I think this is going to be more of a subtle build-up sort of situation, which is actually really nice because the only purple I have right now is actually like super glittery. So I'm very excited about that. So the next thing that I have in here is a brush. This is a Luxie brush because Luxie is so awesome. It is the Good Night 110. Interesting. It's kind of a weird color. It's Halloween-y, I guess, in color. I honestly, I don't know what you do with this kind of a brush. I don't know if I've ever seen anyone use a brush like this. It's so tiny, but it is actually very, very soft. It is a thing from Morphe. This is High Impact Highlighter. Ooh, also super cute container. Okay, so we have a highlighter from Morphe in the color Spark. This is actually super cute. I love this packaging, and I feel like highlighter wise, I mean, do you really ever need more highlighter than this? I mean, I don't know if I've ever gone through a highlighter, but this is actually really, really pretty. It's very subtle, very sparkly. So there's what that looks like. Highlighter illuminator. It says high impact. I don't know that I would call that high impact on my hand, but we'll see. I like it so far. The next thing that we have in the box is Luna by Luna, which is in another cute box. My whole box is filled with cute boxes. I love it. This is a translucent setting powder. No, just translucent powder, it says. Ooh, that's kind of funny. Okay, so look at this. It's in the shade White Sand, and it's called from Luna by Luna, which I haven't heard of, but it's got like this like raised powder on it. Ooh. Kind of like the moon, I don't know. But let's see. So it's very softish. I don't know. I mean, it definitely goes in. Definitely blends in. so you don't have to worry about that. Translucent, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. I mean, I'm willing to try it. It's pressed pretty firmly, so we'll see what happens. Is there anything else in here, or is that everything? That might be everything. Let me just take a peek. Yeah, because that's a lot of stuff. So in this cute bag, we got a translucent powder, a highlighter, a cute eyeshadow, a brush, and 2 masks. I mean, for $10? $10? This is freaking crazy, man. This is crazy and I love it, okay? So like masks alone, they're usually like $3 each. That would be like $6. I mean, these little containers, yeah, they might not be the full size of things, but they are so cute. Like, I mean, they're so freaking adorable. So I am like super happy right now with my Ipsy. Wait to see how everything works. I hope everything works really, really well. That would be so much fun and be so exciting. But, you know, I'm really excited. This is a great box, or a great bag. I have really so far never been disappointed with Ipsy, so I'm really happy to see how everything works out. Let me know what you guys got in your Ipsy bag below, and if you guys got the same things, let me know. So if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you wouldn't mind subscribing, that would mean so much to me. I would really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!